very pleased that he prioritizes health. He's really speaking out about that. Also, when the government's doing well, he likes that to be measured and acknowledged. But then, whenever the numbers don't work, he's very impatient. Okay, do I need to, pick another team, or how do I drive it? And he has people at ICMR, NITI Aayog, who he's saying to them, what are the best practices in this area? What do the Indian researchers say? And because our foundation is working so closely with those teams, when I do get to see the president, we're, okay, our goals are in common. How do we achieve this faster? And so, in health and in agriculture, India is on track. They're not, subject to the degree of debts that African countries have, and so, it is a wonderful place that will not only set an example but prove out new technologies.
Climate change is not something businesses are talking a lot about, and with profits needs to come in a little bit of responsibility and accountability. Do you think climate change and the health indices of human beings across the world are connected, and is there enough that is being done in that direction?
Yeah, so the data in our report, I'd say, is one of the first times that you're really seeing a serious numerical analysis. You might think, okay, everybody's going to die, or that it's not a big deal. And here we're providing, a real model that connects the temperature to these health outcomes. Often talking to partners about, okay, what does this look like? Tata's in the steel business, Reliance is in the solar panel business. So we're going to get to a stage where even beyond building solar fields, India has to participate in this green industrial revolution.
And any conversation with Prime Minister Modi on that?
Well, he, even when he was at the state level, actually wrote a report, talking about emissions in Gujarat. And so, yes, it's an issue that he's engaged in, and, he asks very good questions about it. He's got the industrialists in India thinking about these things. It's a big challenge because, India shouldn't have to pay a lot extra to go green. We need to help with innovations. The coal usage probably is not going to go down too quickly, but, the sooner we get started on this, the more progress we'll make.